it's me Jade and welcome to another Japanese lesson. Today we're going to learn how to ask and answer the question, how old are you? Let's go! Okay, so I'm pretty sure we actually covered this question in a previous lesson, but I'm gonna go over it with you again. Anyway, so how old are you? 何歳ですか? 何歳ですか? Nan, what, sai, age, desu ka? Polite question. 何歳ですか? There is also a more formal way of asking how old someone is, and that's おいくつですか? おいくつですか?
Ikutsu literally means how many. So this question is asking how many do you have? And you just have to infer from the conversation whether they're talking about an object or your age.
So they both mean how old are you, but this one has a slightly more formal tone to it. Now to answer the question, it's pretty simple. You just say the number of your age plus the suffix sai, which means age. However, as with all things to do with accounting in Japanese, some numbers will change. For example, to say I am 1 year old, you wouldn't say ichisai desu, you would say isai desu.
Although clearly, I mean, the parents would be saying my child is 1 year old as opposed to the child itself.
So I'm basically going to go through all of those numbers with you. 1 year old, isai. 2 years old, nisai. Nisai. 3 years old, sansai. Sansai. 4 years old, yonsai. Yonsai. 5 years old, gosai. Gosai. 6 years old, rokusai. Rokusai. 7 years old, nanasai. Nanasai. 8 years old, hassai. Hassai. Not hachisai. Hassai. 9 years old, kyusai. Kyusai. 10 years old, jusai. Jusai. Not jusai. Jusai. 11 years old, juisai. Juisai. Because 1 year old is isai, so it's juisai. Once you've memorized those first 10, as in the case of juisai, 21 would also be nijuisai. Yeah? So 12 would be junisai, 13, jusansai, 14, juyonsai, 15, jugosai, 16, jurokusai, 17, junanasai, 18, juhassai, 19, jukyusai, and 20 has its own word, which is hatachi. Hatachi. So it doesn't even have the suffix sai attached to the end. Hatachi. You can also say nijusai, but it's not as used as hatachi, so bear that in mind. And the rest is easy. Nijuisai, nijunisai, nijusansai, up until the hundreds. If you don't know your numbers, then of course go and check out this video here, which is all about counting that I've previously made, so you can get that into your head. So, here's a question for you. 何歳ですか? おいくつですか? Please drop your answer down in the comments for me so you can practice writing your age in Japanese. And I'll see you in the next lesson. Like, subscribe if you want to. See you next time. Bye guys! Mwah!